Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Pangea green metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Pangea green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need. And once we open up the boot, you can see that this vehicle does in fact have 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. When you fold these seats away, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. Moving to the rear, you can find your ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. And as we move through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. And as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 5,122 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Along with your 4x4 information and your terrain response drive modes, both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. This is added with the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. And you also have heated and ventilated front seats, ideal for those hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.